This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Wasti Haak, a delicious and simple Kashmiri collard greens dish. This traditional recipe is known for its earthy flavors and straightforward preparation. It offers a comforting and nutritious meal, perfect for any occasion. You will discover the secrets to achieving its authentic taste and tender texture, making it a staple in your home cooking repertoire. Let's start this culinary journey together. To begin, you will need a few key ingredients, starting with one large bunch of fresh collard greens. Look for vibrant, crisp leaves, as their quality truly shines in this dish. We will also use 3 tablespoons of pure mustard oil, which imparts a distinctive aroma and taste. Additionally, prepare 1/4 of a teaspoon of asafoetida, 1/2 teaspoon of dried ginger powder, and 4 dried red chilies. Lastly, ensure you have 3 cups of water and salt to your preference. Proper preparation ensures the best results for your Wasti Haak. First, carefully wash the collard greens several times under cold running water, ensuring all dirt is removed from the leaves and stems. Then, chop the greens into large, rustic pieces. Next, bring 3 cups of water to a strong boil in a sturdy pot. Add the chopped collard greens to the rapidly boiling water and cook them for approximately 5 minutes, allowing them to soften just slightly. Now, add the finely chopped Haak greens to the pan with the aromatic spices. Stir them continuously for about 5 minutes, watching as the greens begin to wilt and reduce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.